Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1972 Chevrolet Malibu. Awesome car, guys. Wicked cool color combination. This is, and it might be hard to see actually the color. It's actually, sorry man, cars are loud out here. Dark bronze metallic. So it's a bronze color. Of course, it's got the tan top. It's got the factory tan interior. Matching numbers, 350 car. I mean, just a nice car, guys. Good, solid, straight body. Just a pleasure to drive. I just took it to lunch. And man, you want to talk about a nice running and driving car, man. This car hits the road great. And this is a car that's a proven car, guys. It is a VCCA Touring car. We've got the passport for it, so all that stuff's documented. It was a 2018 Hot Rod Power Tour long haul participant, so it did the entire Hot Rod Power Tour. Just have them pull on the side, Owen. But man, just a wicked cool car. Again, factory color combination, matching numbers car, air blows cold. I don't know how to really tell you. See a couple little stone pecks and touch-up marks on it. How to describe the restoration? I guess in 03 is when this car was originally done, but a lot of this car is original. I think the bumpers are original. Again, original color combination, but obviously it's been repainted. And it's been done, at least mechanically, a couple of times. There's a receipt in there for like 2017 where it looks like they went back through it again. But like I say, just a great car, turnkey, point the direction, and go. Matter of fact, a buddy of mine that Scott's the one down in Tennessee is the one who found me that car, and he drove it for a weekend. He said, "Man, it's just an awesome car. The top's in great shape. I believe the interior is original, guys." Slick paint, like I said, I see a couple little marks in it, and they built this thing to drive. Like I say, it's documented the stuff that it's been on. You can see nice and straight down the sides, brand new rubber, brand new 20-inch US mags all the way around it. That's about the only thing that's not really stock for the car. Dual exhaust, stock rear end. I mean, turn the key, get on the expressway, and point the direction. If you're looking for a nice driver, I think you'll just love this car. Again, you see a little rub mark there, and I seen a little touch-up mark there. So there's a couple little things on the car you can pick, but good, solid, straight old car. My boy's missing a little wax on there. Again, new 20-inch US mags, brand new ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Again, matching numbers 350, still has a stock 2-barrel on it. Stock exhaust manifolds, stock intake, correct air cleaner and valve covers. Does have power steering, does have factory air, and yes, the air blows cold. Manual brakes. Really bone stock underneath the hood here. 350 turbohydramatic trans, shifts out good. Pretty car. Yeah, nice and straight down the sides. Paint slick. Again, car's got a great look. I believe these are original door handles. I think the door rubbers are original, guys. It's missing little bumpers. Again, a couple of things you can pick at in the interior, but I think it's original. I think the carpet's original, guys. Original sill plates. Factory bench seat, stock steering wheel. It's got all the original seat belts in it. Interior's very nice. Factory dash, 71,274 miles. Those are the original miles on it. I think everything worked. It's got the factory AM radio with an FM converter. That's the only thing I couldn't get to work. New dual exhaust, factory rear end. And if you see that, my boys, just a little drip of wax there. Yeah, nice and clean. All spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Quarters look right. The thing clips up here. Get that put back. Again, there are some receipts, not a ton. Original owner's manuals. There's your VCCA Touring Passport, which shows all the little cruises it's been on. Pretty car. And like I say, drives outstanding. Car's nice and clean underneath. As always, I got you some pictures of the bottom of the car. Yeah, I think this stuff's all original. Car is very, very nice. Seats are comfortable. Dash pad's nice. Yeah, I think these are original. Yeah, I know there's a receipt in there for 2017. They went to just give it just a little gas when you go start it. There you go. The choke works, guys. Actually, the car just hits the road outstanding. That's tight. There you go. Just clip your air out. Air blows nice and cold. Click it back on. Just a good car. Yeah, choke works. Really just a fuel gauge. It kind of works as it wants to. I will tell you that. He said it kind of comes on and off as it wants to. The rest is just the idiot lights in the dash. Doors open and close real nice. Hit your brakes on. Turn signals. Backup lights work. Give it a little rev on. Got great sound. Blower motor works. The only thing I couldn't get to work, like say, is that radio. The guys are telling me it's got to be on a certain station, but I don't know if it's even getting power, guys. Wipers. Headlights. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Love the color combo, man. That car is just pretty.